Right, that's my steering arm. That's going to fly off, isn't it? Oh, there we go. For the Colossus. First attempt. I've no doubt there'll be more than one attempt. So it's in place. It was actually a little bit tighter than I intended it to be, so I'll probably reprint it a little bit bigger. Central hole. It's a bit tight on the end of the servo splines. So I could go at least 0.5 millimetre bigger. Anyway, we'll put it back together and give it a little run in the kitchen here. Right, so we've got the new steering arm in there. Like I say, I'm not quite happy with it. I'll probably reprint it. Yeah, that seems to work. So that'll do for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.